In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade Forex on Plus500. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your account. I'm currently inside my demo account, but of course, it's going to work the exact same way if you're using real money and if you're on your real account. So, to do this, to trade Forex, you want to go over here on the left under Trade menu, where you can see a bunch of things. And if you scroll down, then eventually you'll find Forex. So, we have major, minor, exotic, and then Forex futures. You can select whichever one you want, but you also have options and stuff like this. I'm gonna go to major right now, and then over here to trade it, you want to find whatever Forex you want to trade. So for example, if I go with the basic Euro USD, you can just click on it and then click on either sell or buy. When you click on a specific one, it's gonna populate the chart here as well. So we can click on the buy or sell buttons over here as well, and it's gonna open the same panel over here on the right. Then you have to select how much you actually want to trade. So for example, if I do 1000 or 1 over here, as you can see, so I have like 1000 over here in euros. You could go ahead and do whatever you want over here. So I'm just going to do 1000 right now. And then you have to see the required margin is over here. You can then close at profit or close at loss, and you have advanced options as well. Now notice for me it says buy when rate is. This is like kind of a limit when you want to place an order. This is essentially enabled right now because the markets are closed, as it says over here. It's Saturday when I'm recording this, so that's why. But in your case, if they're not, you'll be able to buy or sell right away. In my case, I still have to just place the order. The order will go through whenever the markets open. Of course, whenever that happens. So you simply have to set these things, click on place order, or if the markets are open, it's gonna say buy or sell, and that's essentially how to trade. You could do the sells as well, click on the sell button, and then again you can do the same thing and then place the order or click on sell, and you're good to go. So that's how to trade Forex on Plus500. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.